That's the Linux CNC. Supposed to make for me some text on my micro machine. Let's see it. Now it's going to be really tiny text, as we see. Now we see if the end result, what is the end result. I should really make lower retraction. The text was written in Vectric software and generated G-code, and a little bit modified G-code because it's actually for mill. But as we see, I'm not using any tool. I mean, my tool is a pen, so really is a plotter, not mill. Let's go into it, maybe close up. What's the end result of that? No. Can we just zoom it? No, I don't think so. Okay, that's it.